Hi guys, my name is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. If you're also new here, you may as well hit subscribe. You're already here anyways. I'm about to do a ballet class. I already had breakfast. It's 10 o'clock right now, so I'm going to be doing a ballet class for the next hour and a bit, and then I'm going to cool down and probably have lunch. I'm teaching later this evening and I have no privates online today, so I thought I would just do a ballet class at home. It's super convenient to be able to do online classes at home. I love doing Catherine Morgan's classes. I love doing my own ballet classes. I just love doing classes at home because it's so convenient. Like I already said, I basically rolled out of bed, got up this morning and decided I was going to do class right in my bedroom, so I'm just going to get into it. I don't know if any other dancer does this, but I have like 10 costume changes for class, even just for ballet class. I need to feel a ballerina in ballet class, otherwise I won't have a good class. I need to feel like pretty, I need to feel like, I don't know, my outfit needs to look good. I need to have like accessories, earrings. I do not feel whole without earrings during class, so I did like 5 outfit changes. I ended on this one today. I'm wearing this sweater from H&M. The leotard I'm wearing is a Yumiko that I've done in my leotard hauls before. I'm wearing this skirt, body wrappers. The leg warmers are actually from Pekka Knitwear, which is a brand in Romania when I was living there when I was at the professional company. And the girl made them handmade and knit them herself. So I have a few of these. I had a pink pair as well before. I have a blue, dark navy blue pair that's like the cutoff ones that you can wear underneath pants. It's kind of chilly right now in Canada. It's like -17. I'm wearing my leg warmers to stay warm as I get warmed up. I haven't decided if I'm going to do a Catherine Morgan class yet or just my own. I think I'll do a Catherine Morgan class. It's been a while since I've done one of those. I struggle with Keeping my shoes on my heel. I think my gainer mittens are just really slippery, if that makes any sense. So whenever I wear tights inside my shoes, they always slip off. So I need to put water on my heel or hairspray. The fact that if I roll up my tights like I have now, because that seems to do the trick if I just roll up my tights, because then it has more traction against my skin, then my feet stink because my pointe shoes stink. So I'm kind of in a weird limbo. Like, I don't want my heels to fall off, but I don't want my feet to stink. I'm gonna shower anyway, so you know what? I'm gonna roll up my tights, doesn't really matter. It does look prettier though with the tights rolled down, I completely agree. While I'm at home, I don't have rosin and I don't wanna use rosin on this floor, so I will be rolling up my tights so that my heels stay on. That bar was only, I looked at the footage just now to see how much, because I don't time the bar, I just kind of do what I feel. The bar only took 13 minutes. I did it like non-stop and my feet cramped so much. I had to take so many mini breaks just to stretch out my feet. I think it's also because I'm wearing new canvas shoes today and I did not sew them yet. I'm gonna have to sew them this weekend when I have more time. So I just tied them at the bottom of my heel or at the bottom of my arch. I think that makes it somehow like really tight, which makes my feet cramp a lot more. Okay, here we go. That was really tiring. Speaking of muscle pain and muscle cramps in ballet class, I wanted to take a moment to talk to you guys about my newest and favorite post-exercise recovery tool. You guys know I'm a huge advocate for health and well-being, and I would never ever endorse a product or recommend a product that I wasn't completely passionate about and that I wouldn't actually use in my routines. I use HYDRAGUN post-ballet class, but using it post-exercise is only one of the many ways you can use HYDRAGUN. HYDRAGUN can be used for pain relief as well as incorporated as part of your warm-up. The setup is super simple and takes seconds to assemble. HYDRAGUN's sleek and easy to use technology. It's perfect for any time, anywhere. You can travel with it. Not to mention HYDRAGUN's battery life is up to 3 to 6 hours. I use it 15 minutes every day after dancing or working out, and its battery lasts the entire week, so it's very easy to travel with. It does come with a charger in the package as well, and it's super easy to charge, but again, it has a 3 to 6 hour battery life, and if you're using it 15 minutes a day, it's gonna last you the whole week. Since its battery life lasts an entire week, it is perfect for travel to and from the studio or the gym. Did I mention HYDRAGUN's also quieter than a refrigerator? That's crazy. So no need to feel awkward at the gym or in the studio, or feel awkward during class or nervous. Maybe somebody is hearing it and you're becoming a distraction, they can't hear the music. You don't have to worry about that or making a huge buzzing noise. HYDRAGUN has enough force to push deep into muscles, a stall force of 40 pounds. HYDRAGUN comes with an 18-month warranty, and you can try it risk-free with a 30-day return in the US and Australia. I personally use HYDRAGUN in my most hard-to-reach, most tight muscle groups, as you guys can see in this B-roll. As dancers, we use our muscles so much, and seldom do we actually have time for a massage. HYDRAGUN makes muscle recovery much easier, much more affordable, long-term, and completely portable, which is my favorite part. I mean, who doesn't want to bring a portable masseuse in their dance bag? So go check out the code in my description box down below for a sweet discount for this HYDRAGUN. You will not regret it. I'll also put the code up here. Now that my muscles aren't a ball of tension, especially my glutes, when I'm dancing, I really use my glutes, which is a good thing, but I really use my calves, and now I feel all stretched out and cooled down. Let's go shower. got this cute little PJ set last night. I still have to take the tags off, but it's from Winners, and I'm definitely hopping into these when I get home late tonight because I finish at 10 o'clock or 9:45. Guys, I'm just about to leave for dance class, and I don't think I'm going to be able to film an outro today, so I'll just film it while I'm in the car about to leave. I hope you enjoyed this morning routine in a ballerina slash ballet teacher vlog. I love you all so much. I have to get to work in 30 minutes, so I'm gonna head out, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks again for watching. Bye.